Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you where can you easily find your microphones in your AMAZFIT UP earbuds. So, as you can see, let me take the right earbud. This thing goes into your ear, this one, so the microphone is right here. As you can see, this is your microphone over here, and here, apart from that, we do have the same thing on the second one. Wait a moment, where was that? It was here. It's here. These are your microphones. If you want to know how to clean them properly and clear an earbuds properly, check out my channel because I have a video for that. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.